Hi, my name is Aditya. Currently, I am doing my BTech engineering from Delhi Technological University. I am pursuing mechanical engineering. I got to know about Aptron through online portal. I discovered its PLC course online and I found good reviews for it. When I started my course with Aptron in June 2022, I found it really interesting. There were many things to learn. Also, the faculty had many computers and many PLC devices on which we could practice our work. Our faculty head was also very supportive to us. We were learning new things. And anybody who likes to learn PLC or anybody who wants to update his CV, I would suggest this course to everybody. I think there is a lot to learn in this field, and given its application in the real industrial training, I believe it's a very good course. Thank you.